we have all of our bread cut up. We are ready to rumble with this recipe. I'm so excited. So we're gonna kind of secure it onto our board, as much as you can. I'm gonna pull in my crock pot so we can get this all ready to go. I'm so excited for this recipe and to share it with you guys. So once this is done, slide it right in there. If some pieces are a little bigger than what you'd like, just pull them apart. It's totally okay. Kind of separate out just a little bit. All right, so starting off with our ingredients to add to this bread, I have a container of 1 quart of half and half. So we're just gonna let it soak up right into that bread. It's about 3/4 of the half and half. 3 eggs. All right, we're gonna put that on top. Cinnamon. Go a little heavy with it. We want it to soak into our bread for our dessert. Imitation vanilla flavoring. I'm gonna give a few splashes of that. And we're gonna add in some maple syrup. Feel free to use whatever kind you'd like, or even adjust the flavorings we're doing here. Just a little bit like that. And we're gonna give it all a stir. Look at all that with the egg. We wanna make sure the egg gets combined with everything. I love a crock pot. It's all in one dish, so you can mix it up when and whenever you want. That's what we're looking for, it to be all nicely coated. Toppings are going to be some walnuts. I'm gonna dump the whole bag in here. Yummy. Spread it out a little bit. And also some dried cranberries. Such a good holiday dessert, anytime really. Here we add in our cranberry. I love to add in some rosemary. It really helps with the savoriness of this, tying it all together with this dessert. And that is it for this. So now the magic's gonna happen. We're gonna put it on high for about 2 hours. And I can't wait to show you. All right, it's time to check out our little savory dessert. Look at that, the rosemary melted down very nicely to give out that flavor. Let's get some, ooh, perfect bread pudding from your crock pot. Ooh, let's get that bread. Cranberry in there, perfect bite. Smells so good. Y'all, that is so good.